Welcome back. The state ANC is gearing up to control drugs import in Goa. However, this cell has no tracking system to cut through drugs import through courier services. SP of ANC Kartik Kashyap says state police will keep strict vigil on drug peddlers. But still, the state lacks concrete and effective system in place to stop usage of narcotic substances during music festivals.
The anti-narcotics cell in Goa was known for a long span of time, which was headed by the DIG. And now we have an independent SP for the cell, Kartik Kashyap. How the trade is taking place? Are there any links of Goa, Nepal drug trafficking?
Yeah, of late recently we had booked commercial quantity cases against a few Nepalis last 1 year. That's a trend. And but I would also like to add there are other people of other nationals who are also actively involved in narcotics trade. So we are looking at all the angles and we are probing into their involvement, source of their procurement, the routes from where they are getting it. So soon I hope we will be able to deliver.
What do you have to say about the drugs being imported from other countries or states to courier services? Do you all have any tracking system? How do you all track it then?
Well, we have been of late receiving a lot of information regarding the transfer of more of psychotropic substances using couriers. There is no institutionalized or mechanized system where we can track, but we are using our dogs, we are using active human intelligence and other methods of surveillance to look into this aspect of transportation of drugs.
So there are reported allegations that narcotic substances are being supplied during those such festivals. So what is your take, or what is the ANC going to do?
First of all, let us make it aware that this is not going to be a destination where anybody can come freely and do or get whatever he wants to.
So thank you, Kartik. That was SP Kartik Kashyap with cutout plans and specific plans to curb inflow of drugs in Goa. With reporter Mukesh Kumar and video journalist Chetan Gavas, this is Greta for Prudent.
Almost 3 decades on, the Azad Nagri, the Moti Dongar and the clan of houses has been pumping in more than 8,000 to 9,000 votes for all the successive MLAs of Madgaon. Surprisingly, all these years, no party, no MLA, no government thought of rehabilitating the people from these localities. A special report by Pratik Parab.
The Azad Nagri, the Moti Dongar and the clan of houses behind Sine Lata in the heart of Madgaon town. The inhabitants of these places have been voters for almost past 7 to 8 governments. Sadly, they have been deprived of shelter for not less than 35 years.
This area behind me is Azad Nagri and popularly known as Babu Nagri. What was a 50 house area has now converted into a 150 house area which houses almost 1,200 people. The people have been waiting for a permanent rehabilitation since 1994. However, not even a file has moved in this respect. The local ex-councillor Savio Coutinho accuses the politicians of using these people as vote banks.
No doubt the onus of the rehabilitation lies on the state government. And from 94 till today, now more than nearly 20 years, they are still on temporary basis. Every time election thing use jata.
Not very far is the infamous Moti Dongar, which has always been a ticking time bomb. Now people have set their eyes on the present government for a proper legalized shelter.
फक्त त्याने वोट बँक यूज करून घेतला मडगांवच न्हू अशी गोंयान खूबशी अशी आसात चड करून दिगंबर कामती सरकारान वोट बँक म्हणून यूज केल्ले आसा.
सदांच लिडराचोच काम तेच आसा. इलेक्शन आयल्यार मत मागपाक येता आमकां दिसता की मनोहर पर्रीकर करतले म्हणून.
What area you can see behind me was a ring road zone which was proposed to ease the commercial and the heavy traffic from Margaon to this zone here. But since then, not even a brick has moved from this area here. This area houses almost 1,000 people. The TCP in the recent past has bypassed the ODP plan of a ring road in this zone and given a license for a building which is 6-story high. After that, the ring road file is in the shelves.
The remains of the ambitious ring road are still visible in Madgaon. The road once planned for traffic decongestion has turned into darkness of the town.
A simple calculation shows that the Margaon area has almost a 6,000 people vote bank. However, the people in these areas have now realized that they have been used for electoral benefits and then left to rot. The people are now hopeful that things will change for them for good. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Union government finally withdrew ordinance on convicted lawmakers on Wednesday evening. Cabinet unanimously considered Rahul Gandhi's views on ordinance and revoked it. Cabinet will move recommendation for withdrawal to President. The bill will also likely be withdrawn from the Parliament. Rahul Gandhi had earlier termed this ordinance as nonsense and worth being thrown in a dustbin.
When Parliament reassembles, would move to withdraw the bill. Rahul Gandhi, what is it that has prompted the cabinet sir to take this decision?
And, allow me to once again underscore that the decision of the Union Cabinet was unanimous. And as the Honourable Prime Minister had articulated yesterday, that democracy is not a monolithic authoritarian system of government.
The decision to withdraw the ordinance came at cabinet meeting that began around 6:20 p.m. The stage, however, was set in the morning when Rahul Gandhi met the PM. According to reports, Rahul explained his position to the PM, who was away in the US when the Congress Vice President publicly disowned the ordinance. Soon after Rahul Gandhi met the PM, the Congress core group, which included Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde and Party President Sonia Gandhi's political aide Ahmed Patel, held a meeting and decided against following up the ordinance. The Congress-led UPA's allies, including Samajwadi Party, Nationalist Congress Party and the National Conference, however, have expressed displeasure. The Congress, however, claims that allies were on board. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.